The weather currently being experienced in the country from Hurricane Ophelia is not strong enough for it to be categorized as a hurricane, but the west of the UK has been hit by gale force winds. Ireland has been hit with extreme winds and 2 people have now been reported to have died there as a result of the hurricane's remnants. Multiple flights from airports in the UK have either been delayed or cancelled today. At least 4 EasyJet flights have been affected and the after pilots reported smelling smoke in the cockpits, according to Metro Online. A spokesperson told the site 2 flights returned shortly after takeoff and 2 flights requested an expedited landing as a precaution only. We understand other airlines have experienced similar events and we continue to liaise with the Met Office as to the likely cause. The safety and welfare of our passengers and crew is EasyJet's just priority. We would like to apologize for any inconvenience experienced by the diversions. The following EasyJet flights are said to be affected: